So Woody's going to come in with a punch.
Straight punch?
Yeah, that's fine. Straight punch. And so what we're going to do for today is, right, just because you're going to try to correct things, we're going to punch for the chest. Okay? We're going to punch for the chest. This way, if you guys decide, the two of you decide, hey, punch a little harder, and then you get punched in the chest, it's not like you're getting your teeth knocked out or a nose broken, right? So we'll just keep it, right? So Woody's going to come here, and this, I'm going to slide here. Right? So as he comes in, and I slide here, and this is where it goes, right? So as he comes in to attack, right, this is the thing. Now, notice what I'm doing. As he attacks, I'm not waiting till he's here, and I'm catching him here. So as he comes in, I'm moving with him. I'm moving in. Now, Ray's got a good angle. Ray can see as I move in, my hands are on the line. But what did I do? I took this hand and I did this. I don't want this to miss me by a mile. I want him at this point to still think he's what? He's going to hit me until he hears that snap. And he screams. Okay? So what everyone's going to do is we're just going to work this. We're just going to come in and try to put our hands and get them in those positions. But now we're in the air. Now there's no here. We're doing it from here. So don't worry about doing this right now. Okay? We're just going to worry about the actual catching, right? Okay? And eventually he throws fast, right? It doesn't matter. Makes no difference. So that's what you have to work up to. Okay? So we're just going to come in like this. And what is this? What move is it? Opening move. It's the opening move of the form. Okay? All right. So pair off. Try this.